Oh, this is awesome. You don't see a lot of these.
They're so rare.
I know about, I think 4 or 5 of them. I know where they are.
Yep, same here.
Well, so far it's not too bad. Yeah, you can't really judge how bad it is.
This is nothing right here.
Now this is fine. Then you can get up to there.
Yeah, I don't think it's that deep over there.
I don't think you want to end up in that. This is pretty hard. We can just go up here. What about this option? Yeah, that did not help me at all. Where you are, that doesn't bother me. But yeah, it gets like here. It starts to get pretty deep.
It's too nasty.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's way too deep.
So the final decision is that it's a stupid idea to do it, which is why Jason's doing it first. I just need to know what my line is, and then I can.
I think you laid down the track.
Yeah. I got no tire, dude. I'm getting stuck here. Oh no, I got stuck. Did I get you? Well, now I'm here, so I might as well keep going. Oh, this does not look good. Nicely done. Nice. Keep going. Hell yeah. So we made it, and yeah, it was worth it. I've never seen anything like this here. Holy. That's amazing. Oh, it is dark in here. I I've never seen anything like this. Yeah, you definitely do not want to sleep here.